Hey traveler, Peter here from Thrifty Traveler to walk you through how to book a flight using Virgin points. Virgin Atlantic Flying Club is one of our favorite ways to book short Delta flights, and now it's one of the cheapest ways to book a flight to Europe flying Virgin Atlantic itself. While the website has gotten harder to use, there are still some tools to help you find the cheapest flights, and even a special trick to pull up the monthly calendar view. Let's have a look. Alright, the first thing you want to do, just head to virginatlantic.com and log in. Virgin will now require you to log in to search for award deals. So when you land on this page, the first thing when you are logged in, just click search for reward flights. You'll see it will let you know you do need to log in. I'm going to search for a flight from Washington DC to London as an example, looking for that Virgin Atlantic business class flight. I'm going to search one way. It is always easiest to search one way at a time to find the award availability. If you want to book round trip, I'd recommend just searching one way at a time, and then once you find your dates, book that round trip. So I'm going to look for a date here in January next year. You want to choose the number of passengers traveling. This will ensure you're searching for the correct availability. For this example, I'm just going to leave it as one person. And you'll notice you don't choose your class at all during this process. You just type in your route, one-way round trip, date, and number of passengers. You will be prompted to log in. If you're not already, since I'm logged in, it will just land here. You'll see at the top, it shows like a 1 week calendar view that you can kind of scroll through. Keep in mind, these prices are the lowest prices available. You cannot filter this by class of service. So this will almost always show economy pricing at the top. As you can see, you can fly nearly every single day for 6,000 points, which is pretty incredible. But also, another great deal is this 29,000 one-way in business class and about 250 in tax. I really like that option. If you want to book that, if you want to find more details on it, we always do recommend checking the flight details. If you're looking for a specific aircraft, especially with Virgin Atlantic flights, because they can vary quite a bit. When you click on flight details there, it pops up with this pop-up, and you can see right here the aircraft. Now that's one of their best airplanes, the Airbus A330-900neo. I like that option. There are some, if you check some other flights, this is a Delta flight with a stop. There's a few different options here you can choose from. Now if you want to filter your results at all, you can look at the top here. You can filter by airline. If you want to choose just Virgin flights, you got to click apply filters, or just Delta flights. You can sort by departure time, pick a certain time of day you want to go, or number of stops right here. You can also sort your results if you want to sort by price, which is often the best. What we're looking for is the lowest price. And you can also do others like duration or departure time. So I'm going to stick with this flight, Virgin Atlantic flight. I like it. If you want to choose the cabin right here, economy, premium, or upper class. Now upper class is what they call business class. Even if you're booking a flight on a partner airline, it will be called upper class for business class. So if I choose that, then it just shows more of the info on each class. I'm going to select this upper class deal for $29,000. And it gets right on this landing page. Everything's shown there, how much bags are included. Again, you can click on flight details to verify your aircraft and more details. And you just continue the process and pay and book. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. There are a few other things I want to show you on how to find these cheapest flights. If you are looking for a Virgin Atlantic flight itself, Virgin has this cool tool called the Reward Seat Checker. So the link will be in the description below. If you can use this to find the availability for the lowest prices. It'll give you a month by month look. Just choose your route here. This will only work for Virgin Atlantic flights, so you'll need to be searching a route that Virgin Atlantic flies. So I'm just going to look at that example as well. Washington DC to London. I'll check you choose the month here. I'm going to choose January just to show you the spread of fares. And you see when you get on this page, it will show you a full month of the pricing. So you can scan through that. If you look and you see this red ticket, that's indicating that it's a Saver fare, which are their cheaper fares, but they do range. They do have a range of rates in the Saver level, which is a little confusing, but just know that those are typically their lowest